Question 1. Divide 2x cube plus 5x square minus 4x minus 3 by 2x plus 1. This thing we call it to be dividend, and this thing we call it to be divisor. Okay. This needs to be divided with that, so write in division form. Normally how we divide? So the dividend inside, which is 2x cube plus 5x square minus 4x minus 3. Divisor over here. You can write the quotient over here or else over here. It will not make any difference. Next. Here 2x cube, under this also I should get 2x cube. That is the first rule. Next. This should be multiplied with what? Such that I get 2x cube. Here 2x I already have, this needs to be multiplied with x square. So let us write quotient here, x square. Then x square into 2x will be 2x cube. I just can't multiply this only to this one. This also needs to be multiplied to this one. So x square plus 1, I get plus 1x square. Okay. Next, change the signs. So here it's plus, make it minus, here it is plus, make it minus. Then these two gets cancelled. Here how much is left? 5x square minus 1x square is 4x square. And take this down. Next thing. Here I have plus 4x square, under this also I should get plus 4x square only. Over here I have 2x. 2x should be multiplied with what? Such that I get 4x square. 2x needs to be multiplied with 2x. Only then I get 2x square. So write that 2x over here. So 2x into 2x, 4x square, 2x also needs to be multiplied with 1. So 2x into 1, so I get plus 2x. Okay. Next, change the sign. So minus here, here plus minus, this gets cancelled. Minus 4x minus 2x will be minus 6x minus 3. Here I have minus 6x, below this also I should get minus 6x only. Whatever you have it here, below that also you should get the same thing. So now, here I have 2x, I should get minus 6x. That means this needs to be multiplied with minus 3. So write the quotient minus 3. So minus 3 into 2x minus 6x. This also needs to be multiplied with plus 1. So minus 3 into plus 1 is minus 3. Next, change the sign. So here it is minus, plus, make it plus, here it is minus, make it plus. This cancels out, minus 3 plus 3 also gone, you get 0. Okay. This is the remainder, and this we call it to be quotient. Okay. Next, question 2. Divide 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 2 by 2x minus 1. Write this over inside this. So this is 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 2. And 2x minus 1 over here. Now here 2x cube, below also you should get 2x cube only. Here I have 2x. This needs to be multiplied with what? In order to get 2x cube. This needs to be multiplied with x square. So x square into 2x, I get 2x cube. X square also needs to be multiplied with 1. So x square into minus 1 will be minus x square. Okay. Next, change the sign. So here it is minus, here it is plus. This cancels out. Minus 3x square plus 1x square will be minus 2x square. take this down, plus 5x minus 2. Okay. Here x square will be in the quotient. Next, here minus 2x square, I should also get below that also minus 2x square. So here I have minus 2x, I should get minus 2x square. So this needs to be multiplied with minus x. So quotient is minus x. Okay. So minus x into 2x is minus 2x square. Minus x multiply with minus 1. It will become plus 1x. Okay. Next, change the sign. So this will become plus, this will become minus. This cancel out. Plus 5 minus 1 plus 4x minus 2. Here 4x, below it also I should get 4x only. So here 2x, I should get 4x means that I could get if I multiply this with 2. So in the quotient add 2. So 2 into 2x will be 4x, 2 into minus 1 will give me minus 2. Okay. Next, change the sign. So this is minus, this is plus. So they cancel out, I got 0. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. Okay. Question 3. Divide this by 3x plus 1. So first step, write it in this form. So 12x cube minus 20x square plus x plus 3. Divisor over here. Okay. Here 12x cube, below this also I should get 12x cube only. Okay. Now 3x is present over here. I should get 12x cube, so with what do I need to multiply? I need to multiply with 4 to get 12. Here x power 1, so I should multiply with x square. So that becomes your first term of the quotient. So 4x square into 3x will be 12x cube. This also needs to be multiplied to this. So 4x square plus 1 will be plus 4x square. Okay. Next, change the sign. So here minus, this cancel out. Now minus 20 x square minus 4x square will be minus 24x square. Bring this down. Now here minus 24x square, below this also I should get minus 24x square only. So here I have 3x, this should be multiplied with what to get minus 24x square. This needs to be multiplied with minus 8x. Okay, so minus 8 into 3 minus 24, x power 1 into x power 1 is x square. So your second term of the quotient is minus 8x. This also needs to be multiplied with 1. So minus 8x plus 1 is minus 8x. Okay. Next, change the sign. So this becomes plus, this also becomes plus. Here it cancel out. Here plus 1x plus 8x is 9x. And here plus 3. Now below 9x, I should get 9x only. Only then I can cancel out. Here I have 3x. For me to get 9x, this needs to be multiplied with only 3. So this is our next term of the quotient, 3. So 3 into 3x will give me 9x. 3 into plus 3 will give me plus 3. Okay. Next, change the sign. So minus, minus. This cancel out. This also cancel out. Here also I got remainder to be 0. So this is the remainder. This is the quotient. This we call it to be dividend. And this one is divisor. Okay. Next. divide this by 2x square minus 1. So write it in this form first. 8x cube minus 10x square minus 1x plus 3 by 2x square minus 1. Okay. Here 8x cube, below this also I should get 8x cube only. So 2x square should be multiplied with what to get 8x cube? 2 should be multiplied with 4 to get 8 x square, so this should be multiplied with x power 1. 4x power 1 into 2x square will be 8x cube. So this becomes our first term of the quotient. This, when we are multiplying to this also needs to be multiplied with minus 1. So that will result in 4x into minus 1 will be minus 4x. Remember, we get minus 4x. This should be written under x only. Don't write it over here. Here I have got x terms, so below this only I want you to write minus 4x. Okay. I meant to say write below x power 1, write 4x power 1 also. Okay. Next, change the sign. So minus and make this plus. Minus gets converted to positive. Okay. Next, this cancel out. Here minus 10x square you write first, and then minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3x and plus 3. Now here minus 10x square, below this also I should get minus 10x square only. So now here I have 2x square. 2x square should be multiplied with what in order to get minus 10x square? To get minus 10, this should be multiplied with minus 5. Yeah, that's it, man. Minus 5 into 2x square will be minus 2x square. Minus 5 into minus 1 will be plus 5. Don't write here. Plus 5 is a constant, so below constant only you write. Okay. Next, change the sign. So make it plus, and here plus, make it minus. So this cancel out. This 3x as it is down. Plus 3 minus 5 will be minus 2. Okay. This will be, okay. Okay. Now, minus 5 is the second term of the quotient. Now here I have 2x square and over here 3x. 2x square with whatever I multiply with the positive powers of x, I don't get 3x, right? So this is where we stop. Whenever here degree is 1, here it is 2. Degree of this is smaller than degree of this, at that point we should stop. Okay. So this becomes the remainder. This becomes the quotient. Okay, clear? Next one. Divide x cube minus 1x square plus x plus 14 by x plus 2. So write it in this form. So here x cube minus 1x square plus x plus 14 by x plus 2. Here x cube, below this also I should get x cube. For me to get x cube down, here I have x power 1. This needs to be multiplied with x power 2. Only then I get x cube. When I am multiplying to this, I also need to multiply to this. So x square into 1, x cube, x square into 2, 2x square. That tells first term of the quotient is x square. Okay. Next, change the sign. So make it minus, minus. This cancel out. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3x square. Plus, take it down. Now here minus 3x square, below this also I should get minus 3x square. Here I have x power 1. This needs to be multiplied with what? Such that I get minus 3x square. This should be multiplied with minus 3x. only then I get minus 3x square. So next term of the quotient is minus 3x. Okay. This I am multiplied to this should also be multiplied with 2. So minus 3x into plus 2 will give me minus 6x. Okay. Next, change the sign. So this will become plus, minus change it to plus. This cancel out. Here plus 6x and here plus 1x. So 7x. And plus 14 comes down. Okay. Degrees is same in both x power 1, x power 1. Still I can go to the next step. So here 7x, below this also I should get 7x. Here I have x power 1, this needs to be multiplied with 7 to get 7x. Correct, right? Yes. So your next term of the quotient is plus 7. 7 into this 7x, 7 also needs to be multiplied with 2. So 7 into 2, 14, so I get plus 14. Next, change the sign. So minus, minus, cancel out, 0. So this is the remainder, this is the quotient. Okay, next one. Divide this by x square plus 1. So initially write it like this. 4x cube plus 11x square plus 5x minus 2 by x square plus 1 over here. Now here 4x cube, below also I should get 4x cube only. Here I have x square. X square should be multiplied with what? To get 4x cube. This should be multiplied with 4x. Only then I get 4x cube. When I am multiplying to x square, I also need to multiply with 1. So 4x into 1 is 4x. 4x write below x only. Don't write here. So here you should write 4x. Okay. So first term of the quotient is 4x. Now change the sign. Minus, minus. This cancel out. 11x square comes down. Plus 5 minus 4 is plus x minus 2. Now, here 11x square, below this also I should get 11x square only. So here x square I should get 11x square means I need to multiply with plus 11. So 11 when I am multiplying to x square, 11 should also multiply with 2, 1. So 11 into 1, 11. So write it here. And second term of the quotient is 11. Okay. Now change the sign. So minus plus make it minus. This cancel out. Here plus x minus 2 minus 11 minus 13. Here the degree is 1 and here it is 2. So this is where we stop. Whenever degree of this is smaller than this, we stop. And we say this is the remainder and this is the quotient. Okay. Question 7. Divide this by x plus 1. So write it in this form first. 8x cube plus 6x square minus 3x minus 1. Divide it with x plus 1. Here you have 8x cube, below this also you should get 8x cube only. Okay. Now here I have x should be multiplied with 8x square. Only then I get 8x cube. So 8x square becomes first term of the coefficient. When I am multiplying to this, I should also multiply with 1. So 8x square into 1 is 8x square. Here it is plus 1, so plus 8x square. Okay. Now change the sign. So make it minus, minus. This cancel out. Plus 6 minus 8 minus 2x square. Bring this down. Minus 3x minus 1. Now here minus 2x square, below this also you should get minus 2x square only. Here I have x. This needs to be multiplied with minus 2x. Only then I get minus 2x square. When I am multiplying this with x, this also needs to be multiplied with plus 1, resulting in minus 2x into plus 1 will be minus 2x. So write minus 2x. So second term of the coefficient of the quotient is minus 2x. Okay. Now change the sign. So this becomes plus, minus, change it into plus. So this cancel out. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1x, minus 1. Now degree here is 1, here also degree is 1. I can still continue. So here minus 1x, below this also I should get minus 1x. So here I have x. X should be multiplied with what to get minus 1x? It should be multiplied with minus 1. When I am multiplying to this, I also should multiply to plus 1. So minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. So next term of the quotient is minus 1. Okay. Now change the sign. So minus, change it into plus, minus, change it into plus. This cancel out, this also cancel out. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. Clear? Next one. Divide by 2x square minus x plus 1. So first write it in proper form, and that is 6x power 4 plus x cube minus x square plus 5x minus 6 divided with 2x square minus x plus 1. Okay. Here 6x power 4, below this also I should get 6x power 4 only. Here I have 2x square. 2x square should be multiplied with what, such that resulting in 6x power 4. To get 6, it should be multiplied with 3. Here x power 2, to get x power 4, more x power 2 you need to multiply with. Okay. When you are multiplying to this, this also needs to be multiplied with second term and also the third term, which result in 3x square minus x will be minus 3x cube. 3x square into plus 1 will be plus 3x square. Okay. So your first term of the quotient is 3x square. Okay. Now change the sign. So make it minus, plus, minus. So this cancel out. Plus 1 plus 3 will be 4x cube. Minus 1 minus 3 will be minus 4x square plus 5x minus 6. Here 4x cube, below this also I should get 4x cube only. Here I have 2x square, I should get 4x cube. First 2 should be multiplied with 2 to get 4. X square I should get x cube, means it should be multiplied with 2x. When I am multiplying to this, I should also multiply to the second term and the third term. So 2x into minus x will be minus 2x square. 2x into plus 1 plus 2x. Okay. So next term of your quotient is plus 2x. Okay. Change the sign now. So here it is minus, minus changes to plus, plus changes to minus. This cancel out. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2x square. Plus 5 minus 2 is plus 3x minus 6. Here x square and x square, degree is same, so I could go to next step. So here minus 2x square, below this also I should get minus 2x square. Here I have 2x square, but I should get minus 2x square, means I need to multiply with minus 1. When I am multiplying to this, I should also multiply to the second term and also the third term. So minus 1 into minus x will be plus 1x. Minus 1 into plus 1 will be minus 1. Okay. So that becomes next term in your quotient. Now change the sign. So minus change it into plus, plus changes to minus, minus change it into plus. So this cancel out. Plus 3 minus 1 is plus 2x. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Okay. So this is your remainder. This is quotient. Okay. Question 9. Divide 2x cube minus x square plus 6x plus 3 by x square plus 5. So first write it in this form. So 2x cube minus x square plus 6x plus 3. You need to divide with x square plus 3. Okay. Here 2x cube, below this also you should get 2x cube. So x square needs to be multiplied with what? Resulting in 2x cube. This needs to multiply with 2 to get the number 2. Here x square should result in x cube means I need to multiply with x power 1. When I am multiplying to this, I should also multiply to this, to the second term of the divisor. Okay, so 2x into 3 will be plus 6x. You will not write plus 6x over here because these two are not like terms. Here x square and x, they are not like, so don't write 6x here. Okay. Write here plus 6x. So your first term of the quotient is plus 2x. Okay. Now change the sign. So here minus plus will change to minus. This cancel out. Here plus 6x minus 6x cancel out. Here minus x square carried down plus 3. Now here x square, degree is same, so I could still continue my division. And here minus x square, below also I should get minus x square. Here it is x square, with what do I need to multiply such that it becomes minus x square? I should multiply with minus 1. So minus 1 into x square minus x square, I also should multiply to the second term. So minus 1 into plus 3 will be minus 3. Okay. So minus 3 will become your next second term of the quotient. Now change the sign. So make it plus, minus changes to plus. So this cancel out. Plus 3 is 6. So this is your remainder, this is quotient. Okay. Next one. Divide z power 4 plus 3z square plus 2z plus 12 by that. So write in this form first. So z power 4 plus 3z square plus 2z plus 12 by z square plus 2z plus 3. Here z power 4, below also I should get z power 4. So this should be multiplied with what? Here it is z square, I should multiply with z square in order to get z power 4. When I am multiplying to this, I should also multiply to the second term and also to the third term. So z square into 2z will be 2z cube. Okay. Now see, are these two like terms? No. So don't write 2z cube here. Write 2z cube at a separate place. Next, z square into 3 will be 3z square, that you write here. Because z square and z square both are like terms. So first term of the quotient is z square. Okay. Now change the sign. Minus, minus, and here also make it into minus. This cancel out. Here plus 3z square minus 3z square cancel out. Z cube is the highest over here, z power 1 z cube, so you should write z cube first. So that will be minus 2z cube plus 2z plus 12. Now here minus 2z cube. Below this also I should get minus 2z cube. Here I have z square, I should get minus 2z cube, means to get minus 2 I select minus 2. Z square should become z cube, means it should be multiplied with z power 1. When I am multiplying to the first term, I should also multiply to the second and also the third. So minus 2z into plus 2z will become minus 4z square. Okay. Don't write minus 4z square here because both are not like terms. So write minus 4z square separately. Next, this into the third term resulting in minus 6z. Write that below this because these two are like terms. Now, second term of my quotient is 2z power 1. Okay. Now change the sign. So this becomes plus, plus, plus. So here cancel out. Z square has order 2 and z power 1. So first you should write z square at the start. So 4z square at the start. Next, plus 2 plus 6 plus 8 z power 1 and plus 12 carried down. Okay. Here degree is 2, here also degree is 2, I can continue. Here 4z square I should get below also 4z square. So here I have z square, it needs to be multiplied with 4 to get z square. When I am multiplying to this, I should also multiply to second term and also to the third term. So 4 into 2z will be 8z and 4 into 3 is plus 12. So next term of the quotient is 4. Okay. Change the signs now. So minus, minus, minus. This cancel out, cancel out, cancel out. So I am left with 0. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. Okay. Next question. Divide this by x square plus 2x plus 6. Write in proper division form. That is 2x cube plus x square plus 6x minus 18 by x square plus 2x plus 6. Here 2x cube, below also I should get 2x cube. Here I have x square. This should be multiplied with what? Such that I get 2x cube. To get the number 2, I should multiply with 2. X square to become x cube, I should multiply with x power 1. Okay. This into this is 2x cube. I should also multiply to the second term and also to the third term. So 2x power 1 into 2x is 4x square. Next, 2x into plus 6 is plus 12x. Okay. So first term of the quotient is 2x power 1. Now change the sign. So minus, minus, minus. So this cancel out. Here plus 1 minus 4 will be minus 3x square. Plus 6 minus 12 will be minus 6x. Bring minus 18 down. Okay. Here x square, here also x square. I can still continue my division. Minus 3x square, below this also I should get minus 3x square only. Here I have x square, I should get minus 3x square, means I should multiply it with only with minus 3. Whenever I am multiplying to this, I should also multiply to the second term and also to the third term. So minus 3 into 2x will be minus 6x. Minus 3 into plus 6 will be minus 18. So next term of the quotient is minus 3. Okay. Now change the sign. So minus gets converted to plus, This cancel out, cancel out, cancel out, so left out with 0. So this is the remainder, this is the quotient. Okay. Next question. Divide this by x square minus x plus 1. Write it in proper division form first. That is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and x square minus x plus 1 here. Here x power 4, below also I should get x power 4. Here I have x square. This should be multiplied with what? To get x power 4 there. This should be multiplied with x square. Only then I get x power 4. When I am multiplying to this, I should also multiply to the second term and also to the third term. So x square into minus x will be minus x cube. See here x square and x cube, these are not like terms, so don't write x cube here. Write x cube separately. Okay. Next, x square into 1 is plus x square. Okay. So first term of the quotient is x square. Now change the sign. Minus gets changed to plus. This cancel out. Out of x square and x cube is the highest. So that should come first. So x cube I write here. Minus 3x square minus 1x square will be minus 4x square. Take this down as it is. Plus 4x plus 5. Now here x cube, below also I should get x cube. Here I have x square. X square should be multiplied with x. Only then I get x cube. When I am multiplying to the first term, I should also multiply to the second term and also to the third term. So x into minus x square. Write that. X into plus 1 is plus 1x. Write that. So second term of the quotient is plus x. Okay. Now change the sign. So here it is minus plus minus. This cancel out. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3x square. Plus 4 minus 1 is plus 3x and plus 5. Okay. Here x square, here also x square. So I still continue my division. Here minus 3x square, below also I should get minus 3x square. Here x square, I should multiply with minus 3 to get minus 3x square. When I am multiplying to this, I should also multiply to the second term and also to the third term. So minus 3 into minus x will be plus 3x. And minus 3 into plus 1 will be minus 3. So third term of our quotient is minus 3. Now change the sign. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. This cancel out. Plus 3x minus 3x cancel. Plus 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. We call this to be dividend, and with what we are dividing is called divisor. Okay.